So in 2021, the global sportswear market was worth over 170 billion with a B dollars. Without a doubt, fitness wear is a big business. Kingstonfit is a luxury activewear brand made right here in Jamaica for Jamaicans and the world. And the designer and founder behind the brand, Kellon Williams, is my guest now. Good morning, lady. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning, Simone. Thank you so much for having me.
It's good to have you. How goes it this Friday morning? Have you done your workout already in your Kingstonfit gear?
I was working out, getting ready to talk to you.
Good to have you. Tell me a little bit about your design background.
So my design background is not really much of a design background. I spent a while, I started modeling at age 15. And so that is where my design background came from, just being in the environment of fashion, wearing the clothes, interacting with designers and understanding the things that they would have gone through to make a garment wearable and enjoyable for the person wearing it.
Yes.
So that's where my background is.
April 2020 is when you started, or when you launched Kingstonfit, because you saw an opportunity out of COVID. Talk to me a little bit about that.
So I actually have been wanting to start an activewear brand long before 2020, probably since about 2017 is when I conceptualized some of the designs and started to develop the idea. And I was toying with the idea. And of course, by 2020, wanting to now launch in 2020 and being on the cusp of a pandemic, I was faced with the dilemma of delaying further, or just bring it to market and letting the market see what we had to offer from Jamaica and do what they will with it. And so that's why we decided to go ahead right at the beginning of the pandemic.
And tell me what happened.
So in about March, we were just getting ready to be locked down right here in Jamaica. And the photo shoots had already been done. The website was already up and ready, just ready to launch. But of course, I was scared, and I can just imagine many of the gym goers in Jamaica and around the world were also scared. And so we just decided to bring it to market, take a spin on, give activewear the kind of spin that made it more comfortable to wear inside at home, or even work out at home by yourself. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And
so it worked.
I mean, it worked, and it is still working. We're here almost 2 years later, thankfully. So yeah.
And you've since launched. Okay, so how many collections have you launched? Because you launched in April, and then you launched a collection in November called Papaya, which I find to be very interesting.
Papaya, because papaya is a superfood, and it's a tropical fruit, and it reflects the color of the collection.
Gotcha.
So
Okay.
By now we have 3 collections. The latest one, which I'm wearing, is Waves, which is the name of a beach in Kingston, Jamaica, and also the color of the gorgeous Caribbean Sea that we're surrounded by. So,
and that's really what anchors your collection, is the fact that it is 100% Jamaican. You partner with Jamaican folks to manufacture and so on. Is that a big selling point for you?
Absolutely. It's the entire point of the brand for me. All of the models here that are in my campaigns are Jamaicans living here, Jamaicans born here. Photographers that have worked on the brand are all Jamaican, the makeup artists that we work with. And many of our customers are Jamaicans, or people who want to be Jamaicans.
Want to be, and can be so through Kingstonfit. So what you're saying is that you have customers in country and out of country. So you're serving a diverse set of people.
Definitely. So we have worldwide shipping, which is something that's really important.
Excellent.
really important for us. As much as we want to see our local people in our Kingston Fit and representing the Jamaican culture, there is also a wide market globally that wants to be close to our culture. And so through Kingston Fit, I and we at Kingston Fit can offer that to them.
I love the fact that you are inclusive with the brand. I'm looking at the pictures. You have women of all shapes and sizes and hues, which is fantastic. And you are careful to not brand this as gym wear, but active wear. So tell me who your target really is. It's not just the people who are going to the gym.
Right. So Kingston Fit was, by the nature of the designs, is for the woman who is very stylish, for the woman who is active, not just in the context of going to the gym on a daily or multi-daily basis, but for the woman who is on the go.
Yes.
And wants to be so while being stylish. So it allows you the flexibility to transform transform at this point, to convert your activities from the gym out onto the street, whether you're going to the supermarket or you're trekking to the airport. That's the kind of woman that Kingston Fit is for.
Okay, and you're looking at sports bras, tank tops, leggings, capris, and biker shorts is where you are now.
My favorites.
Which one is your favorite?
The biker shorts, the one with the mesh. It's
called.
It's very sexy. It's one of my favorites to wear.
Okay, maybe I need to buy one of those and see what kind of magic it can work.
Kingston Fit works magic.
Me not laugh. Oh boy! So where do we get this stuff from the line, Kellon? And after you tell us that, tell us about your plans to expand, if any. Where do you go next?
Definitely. So you can buy Kingston Fit on our website. We are available fully online at this moment. The website is kingstonfit.com. You can see it from our Instagram, my Instagram, or just search it on Google. You can make your order there on the website. But what I realized too is that some people may not feel as comfortable checking out completely on the website. And so I invite those people to DM us on Instagram and we'll make it happen for you.
Yes, Kingston Fit, KINGSTONFIT is where you find them on IG. Kellon, I think you're onto something great here. You're obviously very passionate about your brand. And if you have that, then trajectory is up.
I'm super passionate about not just my brand, but what it can do for the local community in Jamaica.
And brand Jamaica as a whole. Love it. Thank you very much, lady entrepreneur, Kellon Williams, founder of Kingston Fit, who has promised me that if I buy something from the line, it can do things in my life. I'm holding you to that, girl. All right.
I can't wait. I'm going to talk to the producers. We're going to make the magic happen.
Okay, goodbye, Kellon. Now, he said, she said, comes up after this break. We're going to take me my puppy show, you know.